Hi everyone, today we will make this beautiful bird feeder. For that I am using one cardboard and scissor and two plastic balls and some plastic wires. This is a very beautiful project. Now I will apply this tape to the box edges. That will give you a smooth texture on the box. Like that I will apply as much it's needed. Apply the tape on remaining side. Now I have applied all side. Here I am using Lexart permanent marker pen to mark the points. In this point I will place the bowls, and next on top of the box I will make one more mark to tag the plastic wires. Next, with the help of sharp needle, I will make one hole on the top of the box to tie this plastic wire. Take as much as length you need it. Now I will make a knot. Then I will make 2-3 more knots. That will hold tightly. Now I will insert this plastic wire in this hole. Now I will fix these balls in this box with the help of this fevicol. Take little bit fevicol with the help of spoon. Apply on the box. Now place these plastic balls. Now our beautiful bird feeder is ready, or our little bird's nest is ready. Now I have put the 2 tassels to make it beautiful. You can use this project for summer camp for the children or teachers for the school projects. Now I will put some rice grain and I will put water so that birds can come and eat and have water. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.